Hi, this video is about how to use MACD and Super Trend. So using that, how I made money. I had only 11,000 capital in the morning. Since it is Thursday, the broker has given 10 times margin. F&O exposure is 10 times. So using that, I made 6,600 from 11,000 capital. So if you want to see my funds, see morning it was 11,177. See opening position, this is profits. Actually 6,600 is the profit. This is for brokerage, and I made hedging for two position. Morning 11,000, so evening it is 17,527. So the call 22,500 is just for hedging. See, I am going to take sell positions all call, and first I sold at 432, then I square of the position at 298. This is also same 322 200, but evening you see closing is around 1 rupee. See, sell at 432 298. So since the market is highly risky, that is why I made a square of the position, but closing price is 1 rupee. All out of the money calls became 0 almost. This is also same way 322 200 from this 2.4 thousand, that means 2440. This is also same way 205 180. This is bought at 500, not bought, it is sold at 500 and square off at 450. So this is just for hedging purpose. So it was bought around 1.26. It's okay, it's loss only, it's not much. This put 19,000 and call 22,500 is just for hedging purpose. So these two became just for the purpose of protecting the capital. So finally, all, if you see the watch list, so all out of the money calls. Bank Nifty is closed around 20,367. So all the calls you can make it is, this is a, apart from this all 20,500 20,600 all became 0, but morning it was trading around 543, more than that. See, if you take first, I took the trade 20,700. If you want, you can check from the positions. This is the first trade I took 432, I sold it. It is closed at 1 rupee. It's okay. 20,700. Think some network issue. Anyway, it went to 472, but in the early morning I took in the within 5 minutes of the market opening. So that is why I exit within 10 to 15 minutes only. So generally I use 1 minute candle for making this Bank Nifty trades. So if you want, I'll show the orders also. I think some technical issue. Yeah, I think 426. So 922. Within few minutes only it is squared off. Same time all positions. This is one thing. So how to make profit like this? I had only 11,000 capital. I made almost 6,500. So 6,500 means brokerage is just 2 rupees only. So option trading per lot 2 rupees only. So approximately I made this one 6,300 profit. So how to make this profit using MACD RSI super trend? So this is 5 paisa capital. I am using mobile application. So if you click anywhere in the middle of the screen, there will be one arrow, right side middle of the screen. If you click that arrow, market movers, this option will be there. If you click on that, you will get like this: market movers, derivatives, indices. Click on indices, you will get screen like this. So here Bank Nifty. So in this there is advanced chart on the left side. If you click that, you will get normal candles. So you have to select from this. Here FX is there, right? From here you need to select MACD, RSI, here super trend. So MACD, RSI you can keep default settings. For super trend you can use 7.2. Default setting is 7.3. See, so morning 9:20 around one trade was taken. So I am using 1 minute candle. So 1 minute time frame. See, almost when it was trading around 21,100, I took in the money call. I sold in the money call around 426 or 432. See here arrow, this is super trend. At the same time this is crossed. See, this is MACD line. So the black one, so it is crossed the red line and it is falling. So that is just clearly indicator. So MACD generally it can be used. So at the same time super trend also give these arrows on the top side. These are super trend. Downside means it is going down. The market will going down in few minutes. In the same way. So here also an opportunity. Red candle. This MACD crossed, the black line crossed the red one. So here up move. See here the black is going upwards. See, if you want to change the settings you can change. Signal line red, MACD black. So increasing bar, these are volumes. So MACD is black one. You can change color also. If it is going up, you have to take position when it is crossing from downwards or from outwards. So if it is going up means market is going upwards. See, check the even super trend also disclose the same thing, 20,875. So it is increased almost 50 points. So again you have to exit at this point, otherwise you can take some profit and exit. Same way, if you take 1 minute candle, there are so many crossover. You see MACD. See, within 1 day I'll show you. So here on the chart, this is red arrows and green arrows or super trend indicators. This is MACD going up or down. So if you have any doubt you can comment on this. So in the earlier videos and all I have given IFCI and Alok Industries. So IFCI almost increased by 70 to 90%. Alok Industries almost doubled, target 870 given. So for IFCI, so buy signal around 3.95 or 85 to 3 rupees in that. So I think target is reached for IFCI. some people are falsely circulating that it is insider information. See, insider means only few people will be knowing. We are uploading in the YouTube and we got based on the experience and based on the information available. So it should not be insider trading. That is just giving general advice in the YouTube. My channel, I am giving the free advice for that. If people are watching, they will get the benefit, or if they want, they can take the trade. We are not compulsorily making the trade, right? This is not premium calls. So few people are falsely circulating in the WhatsApp or somewhere. I have seen that the YouTube channels are insiders. See, we will not be going everywhere. We will be watching from NSE website, BSE website. If you want, you can also check few details, meaning how the price is going up or down. Even you can check the past videos. We have recommended the Reliance Power at 1.7. Almost it has given 100% return, I think in October or September ending. So it should not be insider information, because it is just based on experience, guesswork. There are technical things and practical things. Based on practical things, we have given the buy signal, but that reached within 15 days. But today you see, in my trade, this cannot be, so this cannot be insider, right?